Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add bleed and crop marks in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually come at the top left, click on File, click on New, and when you are creating your document, what I want you to do here under Document Settings, I want you to scroll down, and where you see bleed, I want you to toggle this one on. And then I want you to go ahead and set your bleed. I'll go ahead and set this one to 5 millimeters. And this will be across the board. I'll click here on create document, and once your document is created, you can see there's our bleed. I can go ahead and bring in an image, so I'll come right here and we'll bring in this image, and let's go ahead and make it fill the whole canvas as such. And after that, what we will go ahead and do, I will show you how to add crop marks. So all you need to do for that is go ahead and click here on File again, and then click here on Export. And after that, I want you to go here to PDF, and then click on PDF Press Ready. And I want you to just scroll down until you see this section right here. And I want you to make sure that you have Include Bleed and you have Include Printer Marks toggled on. And make sure that once this is toggled on, you have Include Crop Marks also toggled on. And then I want you to just go ahead and export this as any file. I'll go ahead and use this name. I'll save that, click on Yes, and then I'll go ahead and open up this document just to show you. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. That is how to add bleed and crop marks in Affinity Studio.